Okay, so our overall reaction is C2H4 plus hydrogen gas makes C2H6. So if you look on our three equations here, we have C2H4 over here. We have as a reactant in here, so we don't need to do anything to this equation. Hydrogen, H2 up here is a reactant, also a reactant down here, so we don't need to do anything here. However, C2H6 is a product here in our overall reaction, while it is a reactant here. So in this case, we need to flip this equation around. So how we do that is this gets canceled out, and we can rewrite this as a product now becoming a reactant. So it'd be 2CO2 plus your 3 waters creates your 1C2H6 and your 3.5 oxygens. Now, since we flipped the equation, we also need to flip the sign of this delta H. So instead of negative, this becomes a positive 1560 kilojoules. So now that we're here, we can look at our total equation and kind of see that everything cancels out besides the elements of the compounds that we want. So we have 3 oxygens here as a reactant. We have 1.5 oxygens here as a reactant. We have 3.5 here as a product. So those all get canceled out. For CO2s, we have 2 CO2s as a product, 2 CO2s as a reactant. They get canceled out. And then finally, we have our 2 water molecules as a product, with our 1 water molecule here as a product, 3 water molecules here as a reactant. They get canceled out. So now the only things we're left with is our C2H4